In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix queued or not sending emails in Gmail. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. We've all been there. You compose an important email, and just when you think it's heading out, you discover it's just sitting there in the outbox labeled as queued. It's frustrating, right? This often means that Gmail is having trouble connecting to the server, or maybe your device storage is causing issues. But don't worry, I've got a simple, step-by-step guide to help you get those emails sent. Let's start with some quick fixes for those of you using the Gmail app on your mobile device. First, check your connection. Sometimes your internet or data connection can act up. A quick trick is to toggle your airplane mode on for about 5 seconds and then turn it off again. This forces your data or Wi-Fi to reconnect and can often resolve the issue. Next, let's try a manual sync. Open the Gmail app, head to either your Sent or Outbox folder, and swipe down firmly from the top of the screen. This gesture will force the app to refresh and may push that email through. Now it's essential to check your storage space. If your Google account has hit the 15 GB limit, Gmail won't send any emails, so take a moment to check your storage at one.google.com/storage. If you find you're out of space, you'll need to free some up. For those on Android, there's another step you can take: clearing the Gmail cache. Head to your settings, then to Apps, and find Gmail. Tap on Storage and Cache, and then hit Clear Cache. But remember, don't select Clear Data unless you want to sign in again. Now that we've handled those quick fixes, let's move on to check the Gmail settings. Sometimes a single setting might be blocking your emails from sending. In the Gmail app, navigate to Settings and select your email address. Make sure that Sync Gmail is checked. This is crucial for keeping everything in sync. Another important point is to reduce your attachment size. Gmail has a limit of 25 megabytes for attachments. If your email is showing as queued, double-check the size of your attachments. If they're too large, a good workaround is to upload them to Google Drive and send the link in your email instead. Now, if you're using a computer, let's troubleshoot through the browser. Start by disabling any extensions you might have. Extensions like ad blockers or mail tracking tools can interfere with the sending process. Try sending your email in an incognito or private window to see if that resolves the issue. Finally, let's check if you're in offline mode. Go to Gmail settings by clicking the gear icon, then select See All Settings. Navigate to the Offline tab and make sure that Enable Offline Mail is turned off, especially if you have a stable internet connection. And there you have it. Follow these steps, and you should see your emails flying out of that outbox without any hiccups. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy emailing.